For over 20 years, UPS Solutions has powered businesses across Australia, New Zealand and the Pacific, safeguarding your critical systems with the world's leading brands. With more than 11,000 satisfied clients, over 100,000 units sold and maintained, and consistently positive reviews, we're proud to be a trusted leader. We specialise in the design, supply, installation and servicing of customisable UPS systems tailored to diverse business needs. Comprehensive battery solutions from supply to replacement. Advanced cooling systems for optimal equipment performance. SDA NDIS UPS systems for critical devices. Integrated DCIM and remote monitoring for efficient facility management, all backed by dedicated field services with expert on-site support. We're proud to be an Australian-owned, government-accredited company, delivering turnkey solutions to all industries with reliable infrastructure. Join the thousands of businesses who trust UPS Solutions to keep their critical operations running smoothly. Backed by real customer reviews. Because we know reliable power is more than just a solution. It's peace of mind. Visit our website or contact us today to see how we can empower your operations. UPS Solutions, your partner in critical infrastructure.